Look it.
Hey Noel, we're here we are at Kohl's.
To return your birthday present because
the day before you just Snapchatted to us that you have this entire fucking collection, and
this is her.
So
she could have been yours.
This could have been more sentimental, obviously, if we gave it to you. But it's okay. You have the collection now.
It more.
You have the collection now. No worries. So we just have to come up with another birthday present, cause
I'm gonna give you fucking hot Cheetos instead.
And I'll give him some chapstick. She's wowzers.
Look at her.
Is she gonna run in the field?
I'm a little scared of private property.
Say cheese. You look so cute.
Ooh, work it. She's so cute. Look at her go. We're at a field, but the macaroni and cheese is ready, so we're leaving the field.
We're late to the pasta.
We're leaving to the pasta.
We're leaving.
We got napkins.
No 7-Eleven drives.
We are at Mission Beach.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. Are you freaking kidding me?
Okay, we can stop it now. We're gonna enjoy food. Once again, the ocean. Bye. It works. Shut. Oh, I can't see mine.
No.
I can't turn it off.